This is Rusty's turn right here. Back in the 90s, a buddy of ours put his bike right off the side of the mountain there. Good times. Bad they sprayed so much herbicide on the side of these mountains. It's a lot prettier when it's green. Oh, that's a big tree. I cannot think of a better way to start a day than this right here. Fontana Dam. You take a right here, you get to Fontana Dam. There it is. Take a left, you go to Fontana Village. This is one road that needs some attention. It would be nice if the state of North Carolina would spend a little bit of money and resurface this road. Just from like here to the bridge. This roadwork sign, these roadwork signs have been up for a couple years now. They've done nothing. Look how bad this road is. That lane is just terrible. That lane absolutely needs some help. This one's kind of sagging off the mountain. They've got us prepared to stop for nothing. They haven't done anything in years out here. Look at this damage. This is just insane right here. That's so bad. now we're at the top of the mountain, and out of the forest we'll pop out of, and we're at Fontana Village. Fontana Village, folks. There it is. There it is. Woo! Bar and grill, lodging. From what I'm told, back in the 50s, this place was amazing. I'm not that old. I wouldn't know. I haven't seen it be amazing. But there it is, Fontana Village. We are through it. We are through it. But as you can see, this road is still just in some need of improvement. I can remember the last time they paved it, but since then, it seemed like they paved it, and right after they paved it, they came through and they dug up the road and put a bunch of pipes and stuff in. The patchwork is just terrible. And here's the bridge, and I'm gonna cut this video off here, and I'm gonna start another video to run to Deals Gap. But there's the bridge, water. Up that way is where Fontana Dam is. You should come visit once in a while.